and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes! Namiss ko kayong lahat. It's almost actually magto 2 weeks na, no? No, namiss ko kayo kasi sobrang nagpahinga talaga ako dahil araw-araw na lang ako nagko-content, no? Syempre kailangan natin mag-rest. But before I start my very day to day, yes, gusto ko kayo pasalamatan kasi at i-update kayo na sumahod na po tayo sa YouTube. Yay! Thank you so much kasi kung hindi dahil po sa inyo, hindi ko matatanggap yung mga blessings na galing kay God and of course galing din po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta on watching on my YouTube channel. And dahil dyan, meron akong special guest. Nakikita niyo naman sa aking camera. Meron dito si Tiara. Ito yung aking stuffed toys na favorite na nakikita niyo sa mga videos ko. No? And sa mga vlogs ko, sinasama ko rin siya. And of course, Sky. Ito yung kay Ate Sue. Ayan, na Sky the Traveler Bear. Wow! Yes, I'm excited. At dahil dyan, back to work na naman ako. And may bago akong isi-share sa inyo na products. Kaya naman, simulan na natin in 3, 2, 1! Pasok! Omo White is your trusty whitening skincare brand. They bring the best and latest Korean skincare trends made accessible and affordable for both men and women. With a motivational quote packaging, I'm so happy to see you. And of course, Facebook and Instagram page of Omo White. So, I will put all of them on my description box. Let's start! For the first product, we have here Ula Light White Face and Body Bar. So, I love the packaging. It's color pink and it is best for normal skin with the hashtag Omo White, Omo Skin, and Omo Generation. I will show you what's inside this mini box. I love it because it's really complete with their social media accounts. And ayan, so para po siyang candy guys. Candy na malaki, ganyan. Ang ganda ng itsura niya, ng color niya. Gusto ko yung pagka-pink niya. And this is, pwede po siya sa face and body. For the Intense Cleanse White Face and Body Bar, so it is best to normal and combination skin. So yung color niya is black, para siyang charcoal. Pero yung amoy niya, iisa lang din ng amoy niya. Yung scent niya is para siyang candy na sweet. And I'm excited to use them. Last but not the least is yung Acne Clear White nila. Ito yung color blue and ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. So, day 1 ko pa lang of using this product. So, the reason why ito yung inuna ko kasi nga acne prone yung skin type ko and I hope na mawala talaga ang aking mga active pimples on my face. So, light blue naman ng color niya. Ganda no, very colorful yung mga face and body bar soaps ng Omo White. And color blue naman, dark blue yung kanyang sabon. Ayan. I love it. So, ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo na i-open ko siya kasi gamitin ko. I will show you my TikTok video. Pasok! Sobrang bilis niyang bumula. Okay? Ayan. Sobrang foamy texture niya. Ang Acne Clear White nila is a whitening formula that is best for oily skin, no? Oily and acne-prone skin. Vegan-free, cruelty-free, alcohol-free. Tapos, itong mga face and body bar soap nila is made in Indonesia. Okay? Indonesia. Tapos, non-GMO. Very siya, magaan lang siyang i-apply on my face. Tapos yung amoy niya is parang candy. Sweet na parang candy yung amoy. And wala siyang hapde na nararamdaman ko sa mukha ko kasi may mga active pimples ako. Walang hapde at all. The next soap naman is yung Ula Lights. Wow, ganda ng pangalan o. Ula Lights. White Face and Body Bar. For whitening formula, this is best for normal skin. So it is the first customized face and body bar for your skin type. Wow, I love this Ula Lights. Next is yung Intense Cleanse White nila. Ito yung color black. Yung black naman nila na color is for best for normal to combination skin.
A few moments later.
So, ang description nito, it is uniquely customized with glycerin paste na pwede siya sa face and body na nakakatulong siya sa, yun nga, yung may mga pimples, tinatanggal niya yung dumi and excess oil sa ating face. And also, ang maganda dito, it is supercharged with antibacterial na salicylic acid, niacinamide, and antioxidant rich licorice extract. So, yun yung nakakapag-ensure na nakakapag-brighten and nakakapag-glow ng iyong skin. Yan. For its final act, this paraben-free, kasi lahat ng mga sabon nila is paraben-free. Formula leaves the skin calm, which is really true. Nakaka-calm siya. Very comfortable gamitin and smooth. Yes, it smoothened and softened my face as well. So, hopefully matry nyo ang Acne Clear. So, best talaga yan sa mga sensitive ang skin. Okay? And kung ikaw naman ay merong normal lang na skin at wala ka masyadong pimples, bagay sa'yo yung color pink. So, ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura. Ano mo siyang candy? Cute. Yung packaging niya, sobrang colorful and bango-bango. Amoy talaga siyang candy, guys. Ito naman, yung kay Omo White Ulala Light Glow. Same lang din, no? Pero pinagkaiba lang nila, meron siyang kasamang kojic acid. Yes, it's a paraben-free. Meron din siyang niacinamide and licorice extract. So, adding the pink cherry on top, it is enriched with niacinamide to deliver effective skin brightening and chuk-chuk hydration over time. Wow, gusto ko yung chuk-chuk. Next is yung intense. Wow, bakit kaya siya tinawag na intense cleansing? Siyempre dahil black ang kanyang packaging. Black din, syempre yung sabon. I love it. Parang, it reminds me of charcoal, no? Mga charcoal soap. Pare-pareho lang yung smell niya, guys. Para siyang candy na kabango, ganun. Na parang sarap-sarap kainin. So, experience your skin's best cleanse. Dito naman kay Intense Cleanse White, ang meron dito is yung impurities niya, no, without stripping the skin of its natural oil. Paraben-free formula combined with antibacterial bioextract that helps prevent of germs that causes acne. It is enriched with brightening power of kojic acid then. Wow! It provides skin clarity and radiance with every wash. So, itong color black, which is yung intense cleanse nila, at saka itong Ula Light Glow nila, which is yung color pink, pareho silang may contains na kojic acid. Right! So, yan, no, very colorful yung mga face and body soap nila, no? So, ang direction lang po ng paggamit is at least leave it for 30 seconds on your face or on your body. Pwede rin naman po. Okay? And then rinse thoroughly. Again, it's vegan-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free. Thank you so much! Don't forget na mag-join din po kayo sa kanilang Facebook group na Omo Generation. So, lahat ng link na yan, ilalagay ko sa description box. Pati na rin yung Shopee, Lazada, pag interested kayo mag-order. So, thank you so much, Omo White!
A few minutes later.
So, this is very safe to use, guys. And thank you so much for watching with me. Tiara Bell and Sky, maraming salamat for watching. And huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-comment, no, if you have any suggestion on my next content. And be updated. So, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. I miss ko talaga kayong lahat. And I'm just so happy that I'm back. Making contents. And thank you so much, Omo White Philippines. And I will update you on my review soon. So, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you on my next vlog. Bye! Thank you!